Hi guys, Colin here from Autobowl and Volvo in Waterford City. Today I'm going to take you around this beautiful Volvo XC40. This is a brand new 211 T4 R design. This is a 1.5 four-wheel drive hybrid. We're just going to take a quick look around the car here before we pop inside for a quick look. This car comes with remote operated boot, 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, as we move inside the car, you'll notice driver controls are located on the steering wheel, as well as in the centre of the dash a very handy driver information display which comes with reverse camera and satellite navigation. Beautiful R design seats which are also heated. If you would like more information or a personalised video on this car, please give us a call on 051 337 914.